god, this was the cutest picture out of everything. This older couple, they just look like goals, and that's what I want to be. I want to live a long, happy marriage with my husband. That was the cutest picture, so I had to save it. Hey guys, it's your girl Tiff, and obviously in today's video, if you haven't seen the title, we are going to make a vision board. I'm not sure if you guys can see, so I can only show it at this angle, but this is how mine came out. Super cute, very personalized. You guys can adjust it to your goals and your New Year's resolutions of what you want this year. But I'm gonna show you how I did it. I usually make like a poster, but I'm not going to keep it up anywhere. I'm on my iPad almost every day, just using my planner and editing videos and just doing it. I do everything on this iPad. So I thought, why not make it my wallpaper? And that's what I did. So if you guys want to see how I made my digital vision board, keep watching my video. Alright, so this is a glimpse of my New Year's resolutions. I went over it more in my last video, my Get Ready With Me. But to break it down, this is everything that I want to accomplish this year. And all the yellow dots are things that I found already on Pinterest. And everything highlighted in red is basically to be healthier. So there's a lot of be healthy New Year's resolutions, clearly. But yeah, we're just going to go on Pinterest and look at seeing like what there is. I didn't find anything for no more cussing, so that's just gonna be in my mental note. But right now we're just gonna go in and look for some Pinterest ideas to be a good mom and wife, and that's pretty much it. I found some really good stuff for my being healthy. The thing is that this is my first like screen record video that I'm doing, so I've had a lot of technical difficulties. I swear I recorded everything like from the start, but it didn't save for whatever reason. So that's why you're only getting like the last portion of it. But it's fine. I'm giving you like the full scoop of me actually looking for stuff. Yeah, because it took a while. This Pinterest search took a while. Once I actually searched up the pictures, like I put mom aesthetic because I want everything to look aesthetically pleasing. So yeah, I found them, got whatever pictures I liked, and I saved them. But yeah, I'll just let y'all see what I start saving. Now I'm going into my marriage aesthetic pictures. I did save some of my own pictures of my marriage, but I wanted some pictures of like, people holding hands with their rings and just not really of people, just the aesthetic look of being married, because I do want to prioritize my marriage. Like I mentioned in my last video, my Get Ready With Me, I've been very in tune with everyone, but not really. Like I've kind of just been a zombie walking around doing what I need to do, but not giving my... So this year I do want to give my everything in my relationships, family, friends, but definitely my marriage and being a mom. I found some really cute pictures like this one of couples dancing. I don't know, that reminds me of me and my husband, honestly. So I saved that because I like those little moments, literally just 30-second moments that we have in our lives. These are like goal pictures that I actually want to take with my husband. So keeping that on a mental note, maybe I'll get more pictures of my husband and I. Oh my god, this was the cutest picture out of everything. This older couple. They just look like goals, and that's what I want to be. I want to live a long, happy marriage with my husband. That was the cutest picture, so I had to save it, you know. I tried not saving a lot of pictures of like couples, just like their hands or their shadows, because I don't want just like random pictures of people. You know what I mean? I tried. I didn't find many, and obviously the beauty part was hard to just find like little things. There's more family time aesthetics that I found. Like, this is what I'm talking about, like just the shoes, but you clearly know that they're spending family time. Alright, now for the fun part. So I used Canva and I put it in 4 times 3 inches for the size of the paper. Or the paper, you know what I mean. So like I said, Canva or my screen record did not record. So this is where I was when I realized that it just didn't save. And I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna just start it here and keep going. And basically I just started adding my every picture that I saved. I think I saved like 80 pictures. Yeah, it's a lot. So I mean, I kind of cut it up. See, like I had some pictures of me and my son and me and my husband, but I had a whole bunch of pictures that I saved like from content creating. I want to have like my hair done every day, my makeup done, all the goals that I had, I put it in this one screen. So yeah, I'm just moving pictures around, putting them forward, backwards, resizing, just kind of playing around with what I want. I made it landscape for the first time because my goal for this was to put it on my iPad screen. But towards the end, you'll see how like I kind of switch everything around of what I've done so I can put it as a portrait. Well, where I can put it on my phone screen. Once I finally got everything done, I took a screenshot because it came out clearer that way. When I saved it on Canva, it just kind of blurred out on its own and I didn't like that. So I screenshotted it, and then on my pictures, I started editing like the colors. I started fading it, but also putting a lot of saturated on it. But I did want that faded look because I'm gonna put writing on top of it back on Canva. And I wanted it to show because I was gonna use white font. So you'll see me here just fading it out a lot just so I can put in the white lettering that I wanted. So I also tinted it a lot more, like on that tint button. I tinted it more towards, you know, the pink side just because I really love pink. It just fits better for me. But you guys can edit this exactly just how you want. This is just the way I like to do it, and I liked how it came out. now that we're done editing our picture, we are going to add another page on Canva and expand our picture so it's the full page. And I'm just gonna add a little quote, which is, tomorrow could be the someday you've been waiting for. I love that quote. Like, I already have it as my wallpaper, just like a pink background, but I just felt like it fit this vision board. But that's pretty much it. I made the picture smaller and then added the same background to the backings just so it can fit my entire wallpaper, and I can see all of my work. So yeah, and then now I'm just making another one for my phone, just a different version so I can see all of my hard work on my phone. That's pretty much it. I love this so much. I'm so proud of myself. Alright guys, so that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little digital vision board. I do stuff like this all the time, so if you guys are interested in watching me create my stuff, let me know down in the comments. But this is how the one on my phone came out, because I showed you that I made one for my phone. And that's how it came out. It's super cute. I need to clean my screen. I really love it. It's very personalized to me, and it looks so much cuter and just, I don't know, aesthetically pleasing as a digital vision board versus, you know, the normal vision boards, which I love those too, but we don't need a waste paper. We don't need to do that. Plus, I don't have the time to be cutting up magazines with my 2-year-old. If you're a mom, you know. And if you don't, basically, you will never finish. I'm pretty set for my year. I'm ready to begin. I should have began, but I'm gonna begin starting Monday. Because it's too much. It's okay. We're gonna get started though. If you want to see more videos like this, comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffanycherre and Cherrebeautique, and I'll be back with more videos.